Hi boys and girls, and welcome to math. Let's do some activating strategies, some math problems to get our brains thinking. We have 4 plus what number equals 10? 4 plus what number equals 10? So I could use several different strategies to figure out what the answer would be. So right here, I'm trying to figure out how much more from 4 to get to 10. So I could count up. I could say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 4 plus 6 is 10, right? Or I could do a tens frame, and I could do my 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know there's 4, and I'm trying to get to 10, right? So I know there's 5, 6, so 6, 4 and 6 is 10. Or if you know your friends of 10, you know 4 plus 6 is 10. The second math problem that we're going to do to get our brains thinking is 2 plus what number equals 10? 2 plus what number equals 10? Looking back at the one we just did together, 2 plus what number gives me 10? If I look at my tens frame, 1, 2, 3, 4. I already have 2. Trying to figure out what goes in the space. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if you know your friends of 10, you would have known 2 plus 8 equals 10. Today, we are going to continue using tens frames for subtracting numbers within 20. This is important so that we can become efficient in our subtraction progress. Making a 10 to subtract. $14 minus 6 equals what number? I'm going to break apart the 6 to 4 and 2 because I know 4 and 2 make 6. So I have a tens frame, 2 tens frames, 14 minus 4. Take 4 away first. I've got 10. And then I'm going to take 2 more away, and I get 8. So 14 minus 6 equals 8. Another example, 13 minus 7 equals what number? I'm going to break the 7 apart. I'm going to take 3 and 4, because I can take 3 plus 4 is 7. I'm going to show my tens frames. I'm going to do 13 minus 3 first, and then I get 10. Take 10 minus 4, and I get 6. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. Another example, 12 minus 5. What 2 numbers can I break 5 into? I can do 2 and 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I'm going to take 2 away first. 12 minus 2 is 10. Remember, friends of 10? 10 minus 3 is 7. Sorry. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. $16 minus 9. What 2 numbers can I break 9 into? I'm going to do a 6, so that way I can get to 10 quickly, and 3. So 6 and 3 make 9. So I'm going to do 16 minus 6 is 10. Remember, I want to get to 10. And then I'm going to do 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Let's look at another example right here. Miss Kuhn had 13 strawberries. Connor ate 7 of them. How many strawberries did she have left? I can tell this if I take from, this is a take from problem. So I know I have to subtract. Because if Connor ate them, if you eat strawberries, they are gone, right? How many did she have left is a key word. How many are left? That means some are gone. They're no longer there. If she had 13 strawberries and Connor ate 7 of them, I would need to cross out 3 to make 10. Remember, I'm trying to get to the number 10 because it's an easier number to work with. So 3 and 4 put together make 7, as you can see right here, right? 3 and 4 make 7 because I'm trying to take 3 away from 13 to get to 10, right? So I did 13 minus 3 gives me 10. And then 10 minus 4, if I take 4 more away, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would get 6. Okay? Let's look at this problem. There are 18 animals in the barn. Kylie and Lena own 7 of them. How many animals are owned by other kids? So first we have to set up our tens frames. We've got 2 sets of 10, right? So there are 18 animals. So all together there are 18. Here's 10 and here's 8. All together we have 18. Kylie and Lena own 7 of them. So what I'm going to do is I am going to So as I am putting this on my board, here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It says that there are 18 animals all together. All together there are 18 animals. That's why I have 10 and 8. Okay? It says that the 2 girls own 7 of them, right? So there are 7. I need to mark off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's asking us how many animals are owned by the other students or by the other kids. So, I know, I'm going to erase this right here. I know that there are 18 animals altogether, and I know I need to subtract 7 because 7 is how many the girls own together. I have to figure out how many animals are left in the barn that are not Kylie and Lena's. So I know there's 10, 11, because there's one over here. There are 11 animals in the barn that are not owned by Kaylee or Lena. The reason I subtracted was because if I added 7 to this number, then I no longer have 18 animals in the barn. I have more than that. It's not telling me, let's look at the question. The question right here is not telling me that they added 7 to the 18 animals. It says that there are 18. That's my fact. I know that there are 18 animals. Right? Kylie and Lena own 7 of them. I'm not going to add 7 to it. They own some of those animals. So how many are owned by the other kids? Well, there are 11 owned by the other kids. Okay? This problem right here, we are going to do together. So go ahead and get your whiteboards and markers out, and let's practice this one together. Remember, we are doing subtraction today.